Well done. Do you know why they call me Ant? Do you know why they call me Ant? No, because I like to be up on deck. Down below, don't forget to shout if you see any monkeys. Monkeys indeed, Cadbury World. You what? What's going on out there? What? You what? Is that my banana? Did you eat my banana? A monkey? Are you sure? Are you sure? Right, I'll have a look. Hang on.